Hi guys, how are you? Quick disclaimer before I begin, there is construction going on outside and I'm not even joking. The second I finished getting ready and setting up to film, it started. So I think it might be going on until the sun goes down. I need that light to film, and I asked you guys on Instagram if you cared about the noise, if I should wait or if I should film, and so far everyone is saying film, so here I am. And I really am glad you agreed that I should film because I just received my Boxy Luxe. Look how big this thing is. And I am so psyched. This is my first Boxy Luxe ever. If somehow you do not know what this is, so BoxyCharm is a beauty box, and once per season they have a Boxy Luxe box. So there's all this drama about getting it on it. I was on a wait list. I did not get the September box, but you know what? I'm over it. I've got my December box in front of me, so I'm just gonna unbox it. So normally BoxyCharm costs $21 per month. But every season, if you sign up for Boxy Luxe, you'll be charged an extra $28. So let's see if it's worth it. They said this box is like over $340 or something, and it definitely is bigger than the normal size. I wish I kept a box so I can compare it, but if you've gotten BoxyCharm before, you understand this box is huge. So I'm just gonna get unboxing. Oh, and before I start showing you what's inside, I want to remind you that I have a giveaway going on right now. It ends pretty soon on the 14th, so definitely check that out if you have not yet entered. The link will be down below. All right, so when I open it, this is what it looks like. Ooh. There's a bigger card than usual, so it looks pretty typical of the regular boxes, but it's just bigger. So when you open it, here's a list of everything inside with a description and the price. So I'm gonna try and leave this right here. I have this little table in front of me, so let's see if this works out. Maybe I'll put like under the box so it doesn't slip. So I'm just gonna start grabbing stuff. Looks like there's a lot. Oh, I'm so excited about this. So most of the things I think I know, but I haven't watched any unboxings yet. I'm pretty behind in my YouTube watching, by the way, so if I haven't commented on your videos and you're watching, I'm sorry, I will watch soon. But this is the Luxie Complete Face Set. I am so excited. I love Luxie brushes, and I have some in this same set that are the rose gold, so it looks like there's 2, 4, 6, 8. Is there 8? Yeah, that is crazy. So there's a blending brush, a tapered highlighting brush, pro precision brush, tapered blending, eye shading, flat definer, brow and lash spoolie, and a lip brush. So it'll say it all there. And this is actually the first thing on the insert list. So this is $65. This is so awesome, you guys. I'm so excited because I really do love their brushes. I might have this highlighter brush already, but other than that, I think these are all new to me for my collection. And I'm totally okay getting another highlight type brush, so that's awesome. I'm super, super happy with that. And that already beats the value of the box, so what, the box is around $50. Next, I see something by Spongel. I actually have one of these. This is a body wash infused buffer. I have it in lavender. I got it like with my FabFitFun, like an add-on a while ago, and I still have not used it. Mine was like in a flower. This one is in a star, so it's like a reusable sponge that already has body wash in it. I really like this brand. Oh my god, this smells so good. What's the scent? Blossom Bliss. This smells awesome. Like, oh my god, and it's so cute too. And these last a little while. This is $20, so awesome. I'm just gonna place everything behind me since I have no space in front of me because this box is huge. All right, and then, let's see, what is this? Oh my god, this is a mini flat iron. It's so teeny. So this was one, they let you actually customize your Boxy Luxe. This is the first time BoxyCharm has ever done that before, let you pick something for your box. There's always variations in their boxes, but we've never been able to choose. So it was either this or a palette, I believe, and I chose the straightener because I'm trying to do my hair more, and I thought maybe a little straightener would be good for my like non-existent hair, my very thin hair. Let's see what color I got. Oh, I got blue. This is so cute and teeny. This is perfect for those who travel a lot. Like, I wonder how long this would take to do your whole head, but I already have really straight hair, so I think this would be good for me, but this is so tiny, you guys. Like, my head's bigger than it, since I always use my head as a reference point. But let's see, where is this on the long list of stuff? $75. Whoa. It says this little guy reaches a maximum temperature of 400 degrees. That's hot. So you can use this to like curl it too. I need to learn how to use it, but 75 bucks, this better work really well. That's expensive for a little guy. And I like how it comes with a case too, so that's really nice to hold it. So super pumped about that. And then I see something by Elemis. I've actually tried this before. This is the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. I had a sample. I think I got it in like a Derm Store box, like the Beauty Fix box. And this is pretty good. Let's see, we're $89. Everything is shocking me. Everything's so expensive. This box really does have a high value. I remember this cream being really good, but that is expensive. So how much comes in here? 30 mLs. So that's not bad. It's supposed to reduce the appearance of wrinkles, improve skin firmness. Like, I'm so glad I get this kind of thing in subscription boxes because there's no way in hell I'd spend $89 on something. Like, maybe if I made money, like if I had money to spend and this worked really well, but like I don't know if I would ever give it a chance. So it's really nice getting this in the subscription box to see if it's worth the splurge, you know? So I know I used a sample. I remember liking it, how it felt and how my skin looked, but I don't think I gave it a long enough shot to really see the full benefits. And I'm almost out of my current moisturizers by Saturday Skin, so I'm really excited to try this out. So awesome, $89, whoa. Okay, looks like a makeup bag. It says Glam AF. After I film, there's just stuff all over the ground, so I just like throw it down. Oh, there's something in here. So this is what this bag looks like. And what is this? Oh, I think I heard someone talking about this. It's like a charger or something. Wait. So here's a cord. And then it says Crimes of Beauty. Let me find it on here. I'm not really sure. This is a wristlet plus a portable charger with a retail value of $22. So it says this durable and lightweight pebble faux leather bag is ideal for the jet setter. The portable charger is compatible with iPhone and Android devices and can be recharged through any USB port. So that is awesome. I don't have one of these currently, so I could use that. My phone, like, I am always on it, like answering YouTube comments on Instagram, Snapchat. I'm like a huge Snapchatter. I'm like addicted. So my phone kind of goes quickly, so I'm excited to get that. So that's awesome. All right, the next thing I see is by Wander Beauty. The Wanderous Dusk to Dawn Blush and Highlighter Palette. So let's see what this looks like. And this is $26. So I've tried multiple things from Wander Beauty, but I've never tried any blushes or highlighters. All right, so there's a protective seal. There's a mirror in here. Oh, these look really pretty. So that is, they look like. It seems like, I mean, for a highlighter brush, that can definitely fit in there, but some of my blush brushes are kind of big, but they're spaced apart enough. I think it'll be okay to use. So I'm excited. I'm gonna swatch them. So that is what they look like. And if you can see any foundation on my hand, I did use my new Estee Lauder like double wear or whatever it's called foundation today, and I do really like it. I think it kind of oxidized a little bit, or like it matched my face perfectly, but my neck's kind of white. But yeah, I really liked it, and I had it on my hand because I put it on my hand and then I used my brush. But anyways, I think this looks pretty, so I'm excited to try this. Then there's this big thing. I'm just gonna throw that to the ground. Oh, I've never tried Violet Voss before. This is a Violet Voss Pro eyeshadow. It says My Holy Grail. It says this is 20 highly pigmented eyeshadows in a variety of must-have finishes. I'm excited. I've honestly never tried them. And this is $45. Wow, this box seriously does have I mean, they already told us the value, $340, but that is crazy. So let me open this. Okay, that took me a hot minute to get out. That was packaged very well. So this is what the outside of the palette looks like, and let's see what the inside is like. Ooh, so again, it has like a protector thing, and all the shadows came intact, and they are very pretty and right up my alley. That is a lot of shades. Oh my god, these are so pretty. One's called Are You Kidding Me? It's like a good transition color. Wine and Dine. This is so pretty, and there's a very big mirror, so that's nice. So yeah, if you want to look at that, I'm not going to swatch all of these. That is way too many to swatch, but this is awesome. How much did I say this was? $45, 20 shadows. So even though it's a larger palette, it's not too, I don't think it's too big of a size. Like, I was thinking it was gonna be even bigger because they said it doesn't fit in the regular BoxyCharm box, but you know, I'm so pumped. So this is awesome. Those colors are beautiful. I'm really liking this. So looks like there's 2 more things in here. This is a Grande Mascara Lash Boosting Formula. Okay, I didn't know this was coming in it. This is $25. It says curl your lashes before applying mascara to give your lashes extra length and volume. So awesome. So this is supposed to promote healthier lashes, and it's a buildable water resistant formula that is easily removable to prevent lash breakage. So I like the packaging. I'm not going to open it right now because I'm trying to not open any mascaras until I'm needing to, because I don't want them to expire or get any eye infections or anything bad like that. But now I think we're on to the last item. This was seriously worth it. I'm totally over my anger with BoxyLuxe and BoxyCharm, because this is like the most fun box to ever open. So this is the Tarte Glitter Lip Paint, and this is super cute. I like this. So this is like a gloss, it seems like. This is a sheer lip gloss infused with shimmering glitter that delivers a luscious, multi-dimensional, high shine finish. And it has a value of $20. It says you can use it alone or over your favorite lipstick. Let's see. Oh, it smells good. Like cupcakes and stuff. So, let's see. Oh god, I'm getting my lipstick all over. I hate that. I think it looks pretty. Let me look. It smells good. It's not sticky or anything like that, so awesome. I'm excited to keep using this. It smells so good, like it's making me hungry. But yeah, that is the box for today. That's BoxyLuxe December. Super excited about this. It was an awesome box. And I think the construction noise kind of stopped for the most part while I was filming this, so that's good. So now on to the advent calendars. I remembered today. So it's the 12th, which is crazy. So it's the last day of the Bath Bomb advent calendar. So this is by Target, 12-piece Bath Bomb advent calendar. Comes with 12 little mini bath bombs for $12. And they are super cute. This one's like a light purple one. And it doesn't say the fragrances on each individual one, but on the back of the box it does list them all. And I'm gonna guess that this is the Fresh Lavender. Because it smells like lavender and it smells really good. I love lavender. This is perfect for a relaxing bath. Awesome. Now let me get my other advent calendar. So now on to my L'Occitane Luxury Advent Calendar. Let's find day 12. Oops, something just dropped out. Okay, there it is. And I dropped a day that I have not yet opened. Okay, it looks like today's a bar soap. Sorry, is this blocking the screen? This thing is pretty big. So we had another item in the Amande line. If I'm saying that right, it's probably French for almond. And this is their delicious soap. And this is what it looks like. And it smells like almonds. I like that scent. I think it's a really good scent for like fall and winter too. So awesome. So yeah, that's everything. Make sure you enter my giveaway if you have not yet, and let me know your thoughts. Are you guys still mad at BoxyCharm? Did you get the BoxyLuxe box? Do you think this is worth it? Because I think it was worth it. So I'm a happy girl right now. I cannot wait to play with my new makeup. So anyways, thanks for unboxing with me, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.